Is it audible? Okay, thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. So we'll begin the class now. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about the first exercise. Uh, could be one student sent what all the answers in the group, but then too I was asking everyone, please verify your answers. Let us what see the solutions of that first exercise, right? Or else, shall we begin with what the next exercise, or else? Hmm? See, if you are very comfortable with what first exercise, you have no doubts at all in that, then I will move to what the next one. Are you comfortable? Somewhat you are in need, huh? You are in need. Okay, hardly 5 minutes. We'll finish it. Okay, within 5 minutes we'll finish it now. Let us see the exercise. Okay, in 2.1, the first question is what now? They're telling if there is a order pair x by 3 plus 1 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to the order pair 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. They're asking you to find the value of x and y, right? We will say the two order pairs are said to be equal if their corresponding first odd element and the corresponding second element must be equal. Therefore, I will take what x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Then if you take what either okay, x by 3 I will keep as it is now, 5 by 3 I will keep now, this I will take now, right? What could the LCM now? Hmm? Right. Done now, everything now. Yes? You are not taking LCM? You are not taking LCM. Hmm. It is minus 1 now. Right, right, right. Then 5 minus 3, 2 by 3, right? X by 3 is equal to this much. 3 goes here means what? Am I right? Yes. Whether you got the same answer? X is equal to 2. Similarly, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3. Then y is equal to what? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is 3 by 3, nothing but it's 1. I got the same answer? Yes. Then everyone is correct. We'll see next one. If you are coming, yeah. Those who were absent to the last class can easily what have the glance of the same, right? Second question. If the set A has 3 elements, means n of A they have given what? 3. And set B has, they have given set B only clearly, having the elements 3, 4, 5. The question is what now? Then find number of elements in, they're asking the number of elements found in the A cross B, right? Then what is your answer? We know that, right? Uh, so n of A cross B is always equal to what? 2 to the power of PQ. PQ means what? If n of A having what? P number of elements and n of B having what? Q number of elements, then this is what? I know. I will tell n of A cross B. Here n of A, how many now? They have given already 3. N of B, 1, 2, 3. Here also it is 3. Right now, 3 elements. P means 3, Q means 3, it is 2 to the power of 9. Has it got same answer? What they're asking now? Number of elements. Sorry, they are asking number of elements. Number of elements. It is simply I written what number of relations possible right now. This number of relations possible. It is simply we can do what? N of. This is even there formula. It is there. Need not to worry. It is there. This is for what? Total possible subsets. It is right now. Means total number of possible relations we call it. Relations not started now. Started. Okay. Then here I can tell what n of AB means same it is what n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B, that is 3 cross 3. How many? 9 elements, right now? Right, correct. It is for what? Total possible subsets, right? Understanding? All you are understanding? Okay, we'll see the next one. This time they have given the set G having the elements, only 2 elements are 7, 8. H having 3 elements, 5, 4, 2. Again, one more. No, only they have given. They're asking to find G cross H and H cross G. How will do now? Let us see. First one, G cross H. G first element is 7 right now, and H first element is 5. Understanding? Again, 7 with all I will do now. 7 with all. 7 with 4, right? 7 with 2. Finished. Right? Similarly, I will take what? 8. 8 with 5, right now? Again, 8 with 4. 8 with 2. Right? How many? 6. Right? Here we have 6 order pairs or ordered pairs, or you can call 6 elements also. Each element is a order pair. Each element is a order pair. Understanding now? Now second, you can do it now. H, G. From H, you have to go for G now, right? That is 5, 4, 2. From here to what? You have to do what? 5 to 7, 5 to 8. Again, 4 to 7, 4 to 8. Again, 2 to 7, 2 to 8. So this I will leave it, okay? All you got it now? How to do it now? Do yourself, right? Good. Already many done now. They are asking any question? Any other question they're asking? Nothing. Let's see the next one. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, first rewrite the given statement correctly. Let's see what is the first question there. First one. If the set P is having the elements M, N, and set Q having the elements again N, M, they're telling that then P cross Q is equal to Mn Nm, the order pair Mn, the order pair Nm. Whether it is correct or false, it is not correct. How? It is false. Answer is what? False. The reason I will give now. M cross Mn and M. Total how many? 2 into 2. How many? 4. We have to get what? 4. We know that n of P is equal to 2 and n of Q is equal to what? 2. N of P cross Q must be 4 ordered pairs. All right. Am I right? Yes. That is P cross Q must be M into N, right now? M N, again M M, right now? Am I right? Again N to N, right? Again N M. See, 4, 4. But here they have given only 2. They did wrong, right? Yes. Shall I raise? See the next question there. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs XY such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. They're telling that A and B are non-empty sets. Are non-empty sets, right? And they're telling that A cross B is also non-empty set. A cross B is also non-empty set, right now? The order pair they have given X, Y such that the link X belongs to the set A and Y belongs to set B. Whether this is correct or not, they're asking. There are 2 non-empty sets. When you are having 2 non-empty sets, after getting the Cartesian product, we'll get some answer. See, set P, set Q, here we discuss now. This is also having 2 elements. This is also having what? 2 elements. Both are not empty. They both are having some elements. Then both are having some elements. Then we'll have certainly some elements in the order pair. If these 2 are non-empty, the Cartesian product is also non-empty. It has got some pairs, right? So then they're telling X belongs to means first element belongs to first set, second element belongs to second set. Correct it is. Right now, the statement is true. Then you should write what? True. They are not asking for reason for what? Correct statement. They're asking reason for what? Wrong statement. Right now? Now let's see. One more they have given in that. Third one in the same question. The third one they're asking. If set A is equal to having the elements 1, 2, B having the elements 3, 4, right? Then they're asking A cross with, where it is now? Okay. B intersection null set is also null set. They're telling if set A is like this, set B is like this. Okay. And they're telling set B is having intersection what? Null set. When set B having some elements and null set is not at all having any element, then what is common in between these two? B is having some elements 3, 4 right now. Now you are making intersection with what? Null set. Intersection means what? You should get common. What common you got now? 3, 4 is there and nothing is there. And here also nothing is there. Nothing is common. Intersection means nothing is common. Nothing can be done in another way as what? Right now? Then they're telling B intersection null set. What answer we got now? Null only got, right now? A cross null set. What it gives? Suppose A is what? 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Cross null set means not possible to have any mapping. You can't have any order pair. You can have only one element. You can't have two elements. Order pair means what? Two elements together called what? Order pair. It is only one element. Not possible. Then it is. Then statement is true. What they have given it is true. Understood now? Okay. We'll go to the next question. Quite easy to understand. Whenever you have got only one what non-empty set and other is what empty set, then the Cartesian product is empty only, right? And you know that how to find out intersection. Intersection means what? You have to find common elements in the both sets that you have to write. If there is no common at all, you should write what? Null, right? Let's go to the sixth one or fifth one. Now we have finished fourth one. Now we are at fifth one, right? If the set A is having the elements -1 and 1, right? Find A cross A cross A. Means you have to find ordered triplet. Early order pairs means only two elements will be there in the bracket. Now at this time you get what? 3. Solution. Find first A cross A, right now. Later you can find what? This, right now. I'll find this first. -1, 1 cross -1, 1. And I will keep A as it is, right now. Then, understanding now? How will I write now? -1, -1, right? Again, -1 with what? Right. Again, +1 with what? Understanding? +1 with what? -1. +1 with -1. Again, +1 with what? +1. Right? +1 with -1. Again. Right? Now this is what? Only A cross A. Yet A is remaining. A means what? -1 +1. Now this is not order pair now. This time it is an element, it's single element, right now? The single element with what? This ones. The single element with what? This ones. Okay? Come on. Single element means what it is? -1 -1. It is already there. This pair will what? Pair with what? This one more element, right now? Now what you got now? Ordered pair. Ordered triplet. Early it was ordered pair. Now it is ordered triplet. Similarly, this finish with what now? Yet this must go with what? This one also, right? What is that? -1 -1 as it is. One more one comes, right now? Right. Finished. Now this chance, you know? What is that? -1 +1 goes with what? -1. Again, -1 +1 goes with what? 1, right now? Similarly, third one. 1 -1 -1, right? Again, at third is with what? Second part there, right now? What could be? I can write here now, right now? 1 -1, last is what? 1, right now? Okay, third one, fourth one now. 1 1 they have given 1 1 with what? -1. 1 1 with what? 1 again. Right? Yes. How many count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Whether we are right now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Totally 4 to the 8. Right. We have got 8 ordered triplets. We have got 8 ordered triplets. Therefore, n of A cross A cross A is equal to 8 ordered triplets. Right? Number of the triplets are how many? 8 are there. We'll see the next one. Sixth question. If A cross B is equal to they have given the set of all order pair having the order pair AX, AY, again BX, BY, BX, BY, right? Already have taken this problem. Shall I erase it now? What the question they are asking now? Find A and B. Find A and B. All the first elements are A only. You know? Solution. All the first elements of ordered pairs are elements of A. Am I right now? That is, if you get repeated now, write only once. A is repeated. Right now? Write only once. Again, B also repeated. Write only once. Don't write what? Repeat. Right now? Okay. Similarly, all the second elements of ordered pairs are elements of B. Check it now. That is X repeated. Right now, Y also repeated. Only write only one time. X, Y. Finished. Whether you got the same, no problem. We'll see next one. Seventh one. A is having the elements 1, 2. Set A having the elements 1, 2. Set B is not having element 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Set C having what? Elements 5, 6. Right? Again, D having 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 4 sets are given. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Verify that. They're asking to verify. Verify. What things they are to verify now? First one. A cross B intersection C, whether it is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. This is their question. Second question they're asking, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Their question, A cross is a subset of B cross D. Already in sets we learned first set is said to be the subset of second set when all the elements of first set should be present in the second set. All no element should be left in the first set. All elements of first set should be present in the second set, and if it is more there, all these elements are also present and few are different there, then it is bigger set than this, then this is smaller to that, then this is the what subset of that set. Correct? That method you can apply. Let us find A cross C and B cross D, then find whether whatever the elements are present in A cross C, whether the same elements are there in the B cross C or not. Right? Verify. Before that, they asked one more in the beginning. I will take first one. A cross into bracket B intersection C. First, I will find B intersection. I will keep A as it is now. This I'll finish. B means 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now. C means what? 5, 6. Intersection means what? Common. No common. B having 1, 2, 3, 4. C having what? 5, 6. There is no common. No common means it is what? Null. A cross null means what? Null only. Already one kind of problem is solved. This is over now. Not at over, you have to verify. I will call this as what? LHS, okay? Left hand side I finished now. Right hand side, right now? What is right hand now? A cross B intersection what? A cross C. Come on, A cross B. A and B here. If you're not understanding, I'll write in detail. 1, 2, cross. B means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection, right? Understanding now? Right? A cross C. A means what? 1, 2. C means what? 5, 6. For understanding purpose, I'm writing in detail, okay? Then 1 with 1. Understanding? 1 with 1. Order pair. Again, 1 with what? 2. Again, 1 with what? 3. Again, 1 with what? 4. Right? Similarly, 2 with what? 1. 2 with what? 2. 2 with what? 3. 2 with 4. This you have to take intersection, right now? Right? With this. What? See now. 1 with 5, right now? 1 with 6. Again, 2 with 5. 2 with 6. Any commons are possible, see? Here 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. No 1, 5 are here. No 1, 6 are here. No 1 is 2, 5 here. No 1 is 2, 6 here. Nothing common you got, that is null. It is what? RHS now, right? You can tell finally LHS is equal to RHS is equal to null set, right? Means LHS is equal to RHS. We proved it, right? But second question is very interesting, whether A cross C is a subset of what? B cross D. For that you have to find A cross C first, again B cross D, and you have to compare, right? Compare, then you can make it. This part is over. Let's see what they're asking. The second one, A cross C. A cross C. A means what? 1, 2. C means what? 5, 6. What is your answer now? Shall I write here now? 1 with 5. 1 with 6. Right? Again 2 with 5. 2 with what? 6. These are the 4 order pairs. 2 2s are 4. 4 order pairs come. This is what A cross C. Then one more. That is what? B cross D. Right? Let me call this as 1. B cross D. All right. B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D means what? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make the pair now. 1 5 1 6, right? 1 7 1 8, right now. 1 8 1 finished. Now again 2, right? Shall I erase this now? See, again 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8, right? Again 3 5 3 6, right now. 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8. One more, right now. Again 4 5, right? 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8. See any same elements possible? 1 5 is here. 1 5 is there. 1 5 is there or what? Ah, yes, here, right? 1 6 also there, right? 2 5, yes. 2 6 also there. All these are present in this. Not only that, many more are there, right now. So by definition, by definition, all elements of A cross C are present, right now, present in B cross D. Therefore, A cross C is subset of what? B cross D. Understanding? ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಮೈ ಎರೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೌ? ಎಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. 8th one. Please verify your answers. If you are not correct, make it correct. Okay. Let A is equal to the elements of 1 2. Set A is having elements 1 2. Set B is what? Having the elements 3 4. Right? Right, A cross B, how many subsets will A cross B have? See, first answer I did now, the same question it is, right now? Right, A cross B, and they're asking how many subsets, how many subsets will A cross B have? Right, this is what the question. We did know in the beginning a problem. Yes, similar way to answer. Why? Because I have not seen it. Simply I went with what? Total possible of subsets in the beginning problem. Right? That is to find what? Total number of subsets. But they're asking only simply number of elements in the A cross B. But this time they're asking not only number of elements in the A cross B, they're asking after writing A cross B, from A cross B set, how many subsets you can write, right? Let us see. First solution. A cross B. A is what? 1 2. Cross B is what? 3 4. Then what is the order pair? 1 with 3, 1 with 4, right? Finished. 1 account is closed. 2 with what? 3. 2 with what? 4. Anything? Finished. Finished means stop it. Then in A cross B, this is nothing but what? A cross B. N of A cross B is how many? Count now. 1 pair, second pair, third, 4. How many? Now, number of what? Subsets of what? A cross B. Therefore, number of subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Finished. How easy now? Or else without writing this also we can did, but they asked to write what A cross B or A cross B ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು 2 into 2 4 2 to the power of 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ A cross B ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರೆದು A cross B ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means how many it is? 16 subsets, right? No, totally 16 subsets we can write, right? Yes. Let's see the next. Ninth one. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A is equal to 3. They have given number of elements present in the set A is what? 3. And number of elements in set B are 2 only. If the order pair x comma 1, y comma 2, again z comma 1 are in A cross B, A cross B. Find A and B. They're asking find A and B, right? Where it is now? Huh. Where x, y, z are distinct elements. They are telling where x, y, z are different only, not same, are different. Distinct means different, okay? Different only. They are not same. Distinct means the same meaning, huh? I have given common word for you there to understand, huh? Okay, now question is so simple. Your set A having how many elements? 2 elements. Set B, sorry, set A having 3 elements. Set B having only 2 elements. But what are those 3? I too don't know. You too don't know. What are those 2 elements? But they told that few of the order pair we have given. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿಡೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, suppose first elements are A only. Always I told you, huh? First elements of the order pair always belongs to set A. Solution: in given ordered pairs, right now, ordered pairs, first elements belongs to what? Set A. Are available x, y, z. X, y, z. Therefore, set A is equal to what? X, y, z. And n of A having how many? 3 elements. 3 elements only are there. Right? And they're asking n of B is equal to all the second elements are of what? Set B only. Similarly, all the second elements belongs to what? Set B. Second elements, 1 is there, 2 is there, 1 is repeated. Repeated means only should write what? One time. That, B is equal to, what are those now? 1, 2, 1 is repeated, so I will write only one time. And by given n of B is how much? 2 only. 1, 2, 2 only there. We did it. They're asking to find A and B where x, so are different only. X is different, y is different, z is different. 1 is separate, 2 is separate, are distinct. They are unique. They are not the same of each other. Right? Clear. We got it. They will give order pair and they will ask to find what? Sets. Or they'll give our sets to prepare the order pair. Vice versa. Right? Namita, but what you are asking, 1, 2 in B, 1, 2 in B. Correct, correct. We'll see the final question in this, I think, hopefully. Let's see the 10th question. They're asking, the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements. They're telling number of elements in the A cross A set is how many? 9 elements, right? Among which are found 2 order pairs. Among them, -1, 0, and one more 0, 1 are the order pairs. Ordered pairs. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ 9ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದೇ ಗಾಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Find set A and the remaining. Find set A, and they are asking find remaining ordered pairs. ಬರೀ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಉಳಿದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ you get now are what? Set A. Second elements what? Are what? But first set is also A, second set is also A. Right now? Huh? First set is also A, and even second set is also A. If you think first set have got -1 and 0, then second set also having 0 and 1. Second set is also A, first set is also A. -1 you got, 0 got, one more. 1. It means what? A has got 3 elements. 3 into 3. Right? Okay. Solution. By given n of A cross A is equal to 9, I know. That is n of A is equal to n of A only, right now? Right? So then n of A cross A means 3 into 3, right now? N of A is equal to 3 elements, right? By given order pair, what are these ordered pairs? -1, 0, 0, 1. All these elements are belongs to set only. All first and second. I know why? Because both are from A only. From A only they are doing A. They are not doing what? Some other B. A means having something. The same something are there in the A only. Means all the first and second are belongs to what? Set A only. All the first and second elements belong to set A only. I know. You agree for this? Therefore, set A is equal to, come on, -1, 0, one more is there. Right? Then find A cross A. Find A cross A. Find A cross A. Therefore, A cross A, nothing but -1, 0, 1. It's A. Again cross A. -1, 0, 1. Right? Find them all. -1 with what? -1. Right? -1, 0. -1, 1. Right? First one finished. Again with 0 you have to start. 0, -1, 0, 0, 0 with what? 1. Next again 0 finished. 1. 1, -1, 1 with what? 0, 1 with what? 1. Finished. Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements only, right now? We did it, right? Actually, among this, they have given 2. Right now, they asked only remaining, but I did again all the possible elements. Yes. So this is what the exercise 2.1. 2.1 is over now. Right? We'll go to the new topic, not new topic, the same topic only. What is called relation? Right now, let us take the definition. What is called relation? Shall I erase this now? Shall I? Those who have sent the answers in the group now, please verify your answers whether you are correct or wrong. Let's see what is called relation. Now we are starting the definition. Relation. A relation are from a set, non-empty set, from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of Cartesian product A cross B, right? Provided the first and second element of each ordered pair should connect with a relation. There must be a relation. What is that relation? Let us see. Okay, we can take so many examples, right? Let us take one example. Set A having 9 and 6. Okay. Set B having 1, 2. Okay. Now I will make a relation. Relation is the order pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to what? Set B. That there is a condition that x must be greater than y. I have made a relation. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವೈಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಗಳು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡವೆ? ಬಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡವೆ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸು ವೈಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 9 1ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ಸರಿ. ಅದೇ 9 2ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ಸರಿ. ದೆನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ರಿ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ, ಹೌದು 9 1ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅದೇ 9 2ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನಿರೋದವನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ದೆನ್ 6 ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 6 is greater than 1. 6 is also greater than what? 2. But the possibilities then? Here you have got only 2 elements, there also you have got 2. Any some other elements are there, you can compare and you can made. But relation is given like this, right now. Suppose if I given here one more element, 7. Possible? Possible. One more we can write what? 9, 7. Why? Because 9 is greater than 7. The relation is what here? X is greater than Y. How many are here greater than these? You told, sir, 9 is greater than 1. Yes. 9 is greater than 2. Yes, yes. You know, 9 is greater than 7. Yes, I know. How many things are these order pairs are following what? This relation. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ನೋಡಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮೊದಲು ಸೆಟ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಗಳು ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ವಾಯ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವಿದವು. ಯಾವ ಹುಡುಕಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಹೆಸರೇನು? 9. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ? ಹೌದು, ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ 9 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ 9 7ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದೆ. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ 6 ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, sir, 6 is greater than 1. 6 is greater than 1. I have taken. Yes, 6 is greater than 2. Yes, I have taken 6. Whether 6 is greater than 7? No. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ 6 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬರೀಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಆದರೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 7 6ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 1 2 3 4 5 ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಈಗ 5. ನೀವು ಆಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ 9 7ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, 6ನ 7 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಲೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 6 7ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವರು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Relation is nothing but we are putting a condition from set 1 to set 2. Condition might be is equal, is less than, is greater than, so many, is parallel, is perpendicular, right? No? Or it is similar angle. So many relations in mathematics we can create from set 1 to set other, right? Now I hope relation means what? With example, hopefully you are very comfortable. Shall I accept that you are understanding? Very good, no problem. Then shall we think some other things? Okay, we can represent relation in 3 ways, but before going to what telling that we can represent relation 3 ways, I can give something. There are sub part of our relation. All the first elements of the relation are called domain. Note, make note. First one, all the first elements of the order pairs of R. This is relation. R means what? Relation. R domain. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ್ರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾ 9. ರಿಪೀಟರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡಾ? ರಿಪೀಟರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅವನು ಯಾವಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ? Second point, all the second elements in the ordered pair of the relation of the set R. Okay, of the set I can make now. Set R are called what? Range. Very good. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹುಡುಕಿ? 1 2 7. 1 2 repeated now. Only write one time. 7 is also there. Second element 7 is also. Then third point, the whole second set is called codomain. What do you call that name? Codomain set. ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿ is equal to what? 1 2 7 is the codomain set. ನೋಡಿ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಾವ, ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ? ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನೋಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಳ್ಕಿಸ್ಬೋದಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಸೆಟ್, ರೈಟ್. We'll make a note. Note only we did here. Remember. What is that? Remember. Range may always subset of what? Codomain. ಹೌದಾ? ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಲು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 1 2 7 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿದಲ್ಲಿ. ರೇಂಜು 1 2 7 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದು 1 2 ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 7 ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, some examples, or we can see, we can represent the relation in how many ways? 3 ways. What are those? Let us see. Okay, relation can be represented in 3 ways. First one, set builder form da baribodu, that we call rule method. We can write that in what? Roster form. Means listing method. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಏನು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, we can show what in a ray diagram. So in 3 ways we can show. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಲೇ ನಾನೇನೋ ಬರೆದಿದೆ, ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, 3 ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, take down the problem. Let set A having 1 to 6 elements. Okay, the elements 1 to 6. Example, there is a set A having elements 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Define a relation R from A to A. They're asking, define a relation R from A to A only, right now? A ದಿಂದ A ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಬೈ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ದಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ the order pair xy such that y must be equal to x plus 1. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ವಾಯು ಬೆಲೆಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ 1 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಯುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲದವು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದಾಗದಾವ. ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ, ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ವೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ರೂಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋರು, ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದು, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಅದೇ? 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಏನೇ ತಗೊಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. ಸೆಟ್ ಏನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಅವೇ ಒಂದು 1 2 3 4 5 6 ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ನೌ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವೈ ರೈಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸು ರೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ವೈ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನೋ ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ವೈ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬನ್ನಿ ವೈ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಇದೆ ಹಾಂ 1ಗೆ 1 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ದೆನ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ when they're telling y must be x plus oh sorry this somewhat wrong check it now what's wrong I did now y must be equal to x plus 1 your class is there no? at 5 minutes are there right how you'll do now y is equal to x plus 1 these are y now if I put x is equal to 1 so okay I will put x these are input ನಾನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು 1 ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 plus 1 2 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು 2 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ 4 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ 5 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ 6 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ 7 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ 7 ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ we can put what 6 but we are not getting answer 7 in the codomain set whatever we put now output should come in the codomain set if it is not there stop there finished how much is possible the relation we did it now rest how you got now that is okay y is equal to x plus and you're telling right now you'll think x and y try to understand this now okay very easy to understand right when you put x1 y you got what 2 right now when you put what x2 y you got what 3 3 4 you got what 4 4 you put what 5 5 you got 6 you can put 6 7 but it is not belongs to set A we can't put we cannot put reason 7 is not there in set A set A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು codomain ಇದೆ codomain ಇಲ್ಲಿ second set is always called what codomain set right now ಅದೇ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ codomain ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ನಾ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನೀವು ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓಕೆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಬನ್ನಿ 1 2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 4 next very good all hoping everyone is understanding right Shravan, Prithvi, whether you are understanding this? Shravan, Prithvi, whoever are there. Good. Clear? We can represent what? The relations in 3 ways, either in ray diagram or in what? Set builder form or in what? Roster form. See, sets ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ so you learned sets so what you are able to what understand relation so relation is also set it's subset of what Cartesian product even Cartesian product is a set right now so set application is wide so you thought that easy set but really it is busy when you start using it, right? Okay, all the best. We have successfully done this. The rest we'll see in the next class. Till then, bye, see you, thank you. Shall we end it now? Okay.